I have a question for you guys. Should we let first responders get away with things that you'd get charged for? For instance, DUI. This woman here is asking for a get out of jail free card. She pleads with these officers. She tries to strike a pose, so hopefully they will find her attractive. I think that's what she's trying to do in here. She tells them over and over again, I'm one of you guys. I'm one of you guys. So apparently she's a firefighter and considers herself a first responder. In her eyes, she should be allowed to drive drunk, put people's lives in danger, because if something happens, it's probably going to be the people's fault, not her, because she's super special. We are seeing this type of behavior over and over again with public officials, or I should say public servants, because they're actually here to serve the people, but they act like they're here to serve themselves. And I do got to say this, folks. I am happy that this cop took her to jail. That privilege crap needs to stop. Here's your video, folks.
Hi.
So a lady came in and told me she was passed out in her car. She was unresponsive. So I came out and they were knocking on the window. There was nothing until they opened it. Then she woke up and
Not. Hi.
I just don't know.
My name is Kim. I deliver for Instacart.
Okay. How you doing? You might turn the car off.
Yeah, it's hard to hear you.
You can step out.
Do you need EMS at all?
Huh?
Do you need EMS to check you out? Do you feel
No,
okay?
I'm a paramedic firefighter, actually.
Okay.
What
So
are you
don't
guys?
you don't need EMS?
No, sir.
Okay.
What's going on? How come we're stopped here in the middle of
I just backed out of this parking spot. Then I was talking to this gentleman.
I didn't hear you. Say it again.
I just backed out of this parking spot talking to this gentleman. I was talking. Who is the other gentleman I was talking to? He left.
Hey, wait, what?
He left. I was talking to another gentleman. He left. And then he was there.
Okay.
I
mean, it wouldn't matter if he's here or not.
Let's keep in mind, folks, that the people inside the store called the police on her. So the police are there to do a welfare check to see if she's okay. And what they're observing is she looks pretty damn drunk. What is a police officer supposed to do in this situation? Let us know in the comments. Keep watching.
So what'd you come here for?
To get a pack of cigarettes.
To get a pregnancy test?
Cigarettes.
Oh, a pack of cigarettes. Okay.
Yeah.
I was confused for a minute.
Okay. My name's Kim. What's yours?
Smith.
So that she knows.
Smith?
Yep. With the
That's
S.
my last name.
Really?
Kimberly Smith. I never took his last name. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Oh, whatever.
You have your driver license?
Yes.
Well, you don't have to get back in the car. Is it in the car?
Here, dude.
Yeah, you can grab your purse.
Don't treat me like this. I'm a paramedic firefighter. I'm one of you guys. I'm on your fucking team, okay?
Okay. I didn't say you
I
weren't.
saw you dump a drink out before we pulled up. What was that?
I don't drink. First of all,
I saw a cup that you poured out, and I saw liquid come out of it. What was it?
you saw liquor come out of my drink?
No, it is liquid.
Oh,
Like
okay.
the stuff that.
Okay. I was getting my card. Sorry.
Okay. No worries. You said your last name was Smith. No?
I'm Kimberly Smith. I was married to Jim Smith for, I probably didn't change my license. Sorry.
Okay. Are you feeling okay?
I feel great.
Are you positive?
Absolutely.
Where are you coming from?
Alba.
Who?
East Fort Myers, Alba.
Okay.
I was delivering groceries.
Okay.
I'm serious, I'm great.
All right, relax. I'm just trying to make sure you're okay.
Good, okay? I can't go to the Buddha tonight.
What?
I can't go to the Buddha tonight.
The what?
Buddha.
What's? I
The
don't even know what.
Buddha. You don't know the Buddha.
Okay, I don't even know what. I don't even want to know what that
I'm
is.
not going to the Buddha.
Huh?
The Buddha Club. I'm kidding.
Say it again.
I don't say anything again. Why are you guys screwing with me?
All right. Here, come start with my car for a second, all right? I just want to make sure my car's right here. This
I'm
one.
serious. If you drop dead right now, I would save your life. I'm a paramedic firefighter.
You are?
Yes,
Okay.
I am.
I appreciate it. Okay.
And I work for Instacart. I've been on the front line for our seniors.
All right. Just stay right there, okay?
Alright. Are you gonna keep? I'm not standing in the lane. I'm gonna get back in my car, sit in his
No,
car.
we can't let you get back in your car
Oh,
just yet.
take my keys. I do not want my hair wet. I curled my hair like earlier. You guys stop. Can I get my umbrella? Hold my purse.
I'll get you an umbrella for you. Where is it?
In this drawer. Really? I curl my hair for a purpose. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Of course.
Some guys are like, no fucking your hair wet. She was very nice. I'm one of you guys.
What's that?
I'm
Oh,
one
you
of
want
you
to-
guys.
Sadly, folks, we're seeing this thing happen far too often. In every state, we're seeing it. Videos don't lie. Well, no wonder police officers and political parasites want to take away your First Amendment rights. They don't want you to hold them accountable. But let me ask you guys something, and this is something important to think about. If people work for the government and they're allowed to do whatever they want, what kind of people do you think are going to be applying under the guise of being good people? That's right, folks. You guessed it. Bad people. So that means if you're a bad person and you want to get away with drinking and driving, extortion, 100% complete violence, thievery, and so much more, that's right, folks. Your local governments will hire you. Keep watching.
Some guys are like, no fucking your hair wet. She was very nice. I'm one of you guys.
What's that?
I'm
No,
one
you
of
want
you
to-
guys. Hey, sexy.
How you doing?
I'm not wet no more. He at least let me get my umbrella. He was iffy about letting me get it.
Where are you coming from tonight?
East Fort Myers.
East Fort
We
Myers?
were watching, well, actually, I was doing Instacart. And then we watched like the last 2 hours of Masters.
How was that? Who won?
The freaking Jap got it, man.
Who did?
Japanese.
Oh. Gotcha.
Japanese guy
Yeah,
who
that's-
he's never had it. He never won it. And like you say, it starts with an M, but I'm not
Yeah.
gonna attempt to pronounce it.
I gotcha.
Justin Rose was in the running,
Hey,
but it was
hey,
beautiful.
you mind walking underneath this pavilion for me? I don't.
I'll do anything you say. I'm one of you guys. Like I said, I went to the
Perfect.
fire academy. I'm a paramedic.
Okay, I don't want. I don't want to get wet. I don't want.
Dude's already wet.
Yeah, that's. I don't want to
There
get.
you go.
Okay.
How you like me now?
Uh-huh.
Ouch.
Thank you. I'm all right. Thank you.
My middle name is Faith, not Grace.
Okay, we're dry now, right? Perfect. All right, you can put your umbrella down, okay?
I did.
All right, let's put it to the side. Okay. All right, so here's the thing, all right? Just based off of, them observing that you were,
You don't let me drive no more.
Relax, calm down. Kimberly, right? Yes. Officer Smith, okay. I just want to make sure you're okay. You say you're a paramedic. We help out one another, okay? So I just want to make sure you're okay, all right? So the thing is, what I want to ask you, just so I know you're comfortable with driving away, where do you live?
I live behind Health Park, Cell Harbor,
Okay. So you live a little ways out, I'm assuming.
down 6 miles.
Yeah, that's a good minute. All right, so Kimberly, just so I can make sure you are able to drive, would you mind participating in field sobriety exercises? It's just to determine your ability to operate a motor vehicle safely.
Okay, whatever.
You want to? Huh?
Should I?
It's up to you. I just want to make sure, if you want to just make sure that I know you're good to drive, you can participate in them, and we can, have you on your way, okay? I just want to determine to make sure you're okay to drive, okay? Just based
I would
off
like a straight shot home, but okay, that's fine.
you're willing to participate?
Yeah. Is
Okay.
that wrong?
No worries.
Yeah, maybe walk in the rain, are you?
No, I'm gonna go get my car, okay? And
Can I go pee first?
give me 1 second, all right? It's gonna take less than 5 minutes, okay? Give me.
I have to pee though.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna run to my car real quick, all right?
I can't pee. Did you say I can't pee or did you say I could?
You can, but not right now.
Can you take me to pee?
Not right now. He's
Not
in
right now.
charge.
Give me 1 second, all right?
I don't know if this is a good thing or not.
What?
I don't know what my attorney would say if this is a good thing or not. I'm not drunk though, so I don't have any worries, right?
Exactly. You have no worries. We have
But I
no
have
worries.
to pee. All he's gonna tell me is if I can drive or not, right?
Right.
Did he ever see me drive?
Did I see you drive?
Did he see me drive?
I saw you in the car. In the car. I know. I mean,
Ah, here we go. Now you started running. What's that for?
part of the exercise.
This is just a piece of tape that we're gonna.
I think I'll pass on this. Is there
You
another
think?
test?
Okay. Well, wait 1 second. We'll explain it, okay?
This is fucking ridiculous. Really?
Hey, listen.
I've never seen this.
You never?
I'm fucking one of you guys.
It's the first time for everything, okay?
Taxpayer dollars at its finest. Forever.
All right, Kimberly, right? Come sit over here, okay? I want to make sure I'm able to see you clear, okay? Let me take my mask off because it's hard talking this thing, okay?
I believe it.
Okay. So before we start, you agree that the area is well lit? Hey, Kimberly.
You're like fucking attracting me.
No, I'm
My
not.
buddy used to tell me, he's like, don't agree to any of their shit.
No,
I'll
no,
do whatever
no.
you say.
I'm just making sure that you can
I'm
see everything.
sober. I am sober.
That's fine. I
Let's
just want to
do
make sure
this.
that you're able to see everything that I'm instructing you to do. 'Cause I'm gonna do some things, and I want you to be
What's
able to
your
see
name?
it. Smith
Okay.
with the S. All right. So you're.
You're Smith who?
That's neither here or there.
Exactly.
All right. So Kimberly.
Yeah.
So-
Go
so
ahead.
is
What
the
do you
thing.
want to do?
So you agree that the area is well lit, it is leveled, free of any debris that will prohibit you from doing any other exercises, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kimberly, are you wearing any glasses or contacts?
No, sir.
Perfect.
Can I go home soon?
Yeah, as soon as we're done with this, I'm just gonna do evaluate you real quick just to make sure you're good to drive, and then we'll get you on your way, okay?
And if I'm not good to drive, let me go.
That's fine. All right, Kimberly, what I want you to do is stand with your feet together just like this, heel to heel, toe to toe, just like this.
Fuck that.
Hey, Kimberly,
My attorney says not to do that.
so are you wanting to participate?
I think you're incriminating.
I'm not. I'm just trying to make sure you're able to drive.
You gonna let me drive? If I do this?
If you're able to pass my
Okay,
test.
tell me what you want me to do.
All right, heel to heel, toe to toe, just like this. Hands right by your side.
Okay, go ahead. It's
Okay.
a new test.
Keep your head still. I want you to look at the stimulus, and I want you to hold it. I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay?
Absolutely.
Eyes only. No. Don't move your head. Eyes only. Perfect. You're doing good. All right.
You guys are fucking weird.
Hold on. Keep your head straight. Okay? Look straight at me.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
I've never seen anything like this in my life.
All right. I'm gonna go straight up with it. Okay? Good
Here
job.
to go?
All right, you're done. All right, so yeah, you want to put your shoes back on? Go ahead, okay? So this is how I want to explain how you done so far, okay? All right. So your car is parked where?
Really?
Yep. You're under arrest for DUI.
Are you serious?
Here, you come to my car, all right?
Can you not wet my hair?
No, don't rub it. All right.
Thank you.
You guys, I'd like to set the record straight. I'm a big advocate for not having to go to jail for victimless crimes. But sadly, that's not the way America works. A lot of times we see police officers going out of their way, breaking windows, pulling people out of their car, using Pennsylvania versus Mims for officer safety on simple traffic infractions. And I also am a big advocate for police officers to not be able to do that on simple traffic infractions. You shouldn't have to roll your window down and talk to police. What's crazy is they want to implement robots to conduct these traffic infractions. Are police officers really that scared and incompetent? If that's the case, why do we need them? I truly believe there are far too many police officers out there working right now. We shouldn't see 10 officers on one traffic stop, but we do. Policing in America and other places around the world is getting out of hand. Why is this happening? Because we're letting these political parasites do what they want. We, the people, are not stopping it. We haven't taken up arms against police and the government. We're only using cameras and the internet. And me personally, I'm doing my best. But you see, we have a culture out there where police officers should be allowed to do whatever they want. And many of you police and government supporters out there, you tend to skip all the videos where cops screw up. Why is that? Why are you ignoring exactly what's happening out here? Not everybody is dumb and blind. A lot of times some people can see patterns, and that's what I'm seeing right now. An umbrella of protection that allows police officers to misbehave, to violate rights, and now they want to stretch that out to first responders. They want to give everybody in government just a little bit more power than you. They want to take away your rights. And that right there goes against the foundation of what this country is built on. America's supposed to stand for freedom, folks. But then we got the left pointing at the right. Then we got the right pointing at the left, blaming each other. A lot of you are failing to see what truly is happening out there. Our rights are being eroded every day as I speak as well. It's time you guys stand up, start recording your public officials, start holding them accountable, and start learning and understanding what the Constitution is and what it means. And I'll give you guys an idea right now. The Bill of Rights and the Constitution, specifically the First Amendment, those documents weren't written to give you your rights. You were born with natural rights. You know what that means? The Founding Fathers knew and understood that the people, in order to stay free in America, needed to use those documents to limit the scope of authority that these government officials have over us, the people. So next time you see a politician on the news talking about somehow getting rid of your rights, that's going to be the bad guy. Don't let it slip past you guys. Pay attention. No, I don't feel sorry for this lady getting arrested. She's a first responder. She wants privileges. And from my understanding, this woman took a plea deal, later on was busted again for something else, but she got off. How is that, folks? You mean to tell me that the system protects itself? What a crying shame. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Subscribe, hit the bell. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.